what kind of a setup is a good boxing? Okay, remember today in the morning video I put a box for gold. Let's check that out first, and then I'm going to come back to this Bitcoin one and we'll see how a box needs to set up. Now remember, when we're trading with time and price, what we're looking for is a location where the time and price will meet and the market will move. Okay, so here we are. In today's, let me say, where are we? Let's do this. Right, this is gold. Now remember, we had a trap 8:30 to 9:45 in the cycle edge report. So I said, if within the time period, this is the trading hour, right? One of the trading hours that I posted. I said, if we break out above after that, the box, okay, so we have a box, whichever way it breaks out, the market should go if it matches the trading hour. Why is this a bad box? Because it already broke out, okay, before the hour. If we'd been in here and then the market started to push up, I would have said, okay, from the lows we're going up and it's a nice breakout of the box. But it didn't happen. It broke out first going to a trade hour. And once you're at the trade hour and the market's gone up into it, this is a 15-minute chart, that's not a grade A, not a good setup. Okay, so you have to wait here. Especially also today, remember, we talked about the day, so when getting in, we have to be extra careful. Okay, but that's not a good one. What is a good one that could highly likely work out? Same thing I did on Bitcoin, right? And this is it. Okay, now look, it's the same setup. 8:30, 9:45 is there. First trade hour of the day. You see how it's stuck in the box and then it's breaking out. That's fine, and that's a trade entry. Okay, now you can follow through. As always, I've got two targets, one there and another one all the way down there. Okay, so why? Because if we're still going to go with the trend, then selling with the trend is okay, all right? Less risky, and it's all honky-dory, and that's a better breakout in, from the box with the trade hour from after the trap zone. So the market's telling me, look, it's a trap zone. What does that mean? It means the market can trap the people out. So be careful, all right? And that trap zone is the time we need to be careful. So after the trap zone, if there's a trade hour, and if you boxed it like here, then the breakout is a better trade, because after the trap, you're going with a trade hour with the direction of the trend. Okay, and then you can kind of like, mark your trades in. In fact, with this, I can bring the stop loss a little closer as well, and we'll also check for volatility during the day. So all you have to do is just go with your cycle edge timing, read what those comments say for those periods, and whenever you're trading in that period, if there is like a trap in there, then understand that a trap can be a market push, and then like everybody gets in and then they get trapped and the market reverses. Okay, so that's a quick video on boxing and which box is better than another one. This one, I'm going to bring the stop loss now to where that level is here. All right, so all we have to do is bring that there. Okay, and if it goes against me now, we're not sad about it. Why? Because if that time didn't work out, we don't want to be in the trade anyway. Okay, so I'll have to bring both of those stops into there. All right, so just on the border there. And now we can see how it pans out. Now the next trading hour is here, so if it's gonna go down, it should come into here, and the next zone is gonna be here. So obviously this low here is a logical place where the market should go, and if it's going to stop sweep anything, it should be there, because that's where a bunch of support levels are, as you can see. So if it's going to be taken out, that's your natural second place to go to into the trade hour. And if we do go with the trend, the market should go further down, so we'll keep that open and see how that pans out as well. All right, so market pushing up, coming down, gap here, we'll probably want to close that, and that's where the second profit is, and that's like 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 now with that tight stop loss. Okay, so that's boxing example and how to do it after a trap with a trade hour.